Reward apps don't actually pay instantly, in most cases. Even fast-earning apps still depend on task availability, payout processing time, and minimum withdrawal limits before you see real money. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps people use for faster earnings, how each system generates payouts, and what usually slows down cashing out, even when earnings look quick on screen. Start with what making money fast really means here. Fast doesn't mean instant cash. It usually means faster access to higher value tasks or lower withdrawal barriers. So speed is about structure, not luck. First category is instant survey reward apps. These apps offer quick surveys that can be completed in a few minutes, but earnings still accumulate until you reach a cash-out threshold. Second category is offer-wall apps. These platforms can feel faster because some offers pay more per action, like installing apps or completing short trials, compared to basic tasks. Third category is gaming reward apps with early milestone payouts. These apps allow users to earn small rewards early in gameplay, which makes progress feel faster compared to long grind systems. Fourth category is cashback apps with instant tracking. These apps can feel fast when purchases are tracked immediately, but actual payout still depends on refund and processing rules. Fifth category is microtask apps with quick approval work. These platforms pay for small digital tasks, but fast depends on how quickly tasks are approved and credited to your balance. Now here's what actually determines whether an app feels fast or slow. Task availability is the biggest factor. If high-paying tasks are limited, earnings slow down immediately. Withdrawal limits also matter. Even fast earnings don't matter if you need a high balance before cashing out. And processing speed affects perception. Some apps approve earnings instantly but delay actual payout transfers. So, fast money apps are really just systems with quicker reward cycles, not instant income. Summary: reward apps that feel fast rely on surveys, offers, gaming milestones, cashback tracking, and microtasks. Real speed depends on task availability, withdrawal rules, and processing time. The system design controls how fast you get paid. Next step: try one fast-earning reward app and track how long it takes from first task completion to your first eligible withdrawal. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.